All right. We'll wait for some people to come in. There's no one here. And then we'll get into it. All right, we got one person here. Who's lingering in the shadows? How you doing? I think we're good. I think the music's good. I think... Let's see here. Yeah, we'll just kind of wait for some people to show up. There's no one here. But looking at Mavia here, Mavia is going to complete zero. This thing is dying. Oh, man. Oh, jeez. Yeah, I don't know how many people are going to show up. I have this scheduled for 7 o'clock tonight, but things come up and I have to do something later. So it'll be a short stream, but we're here. But yeah, Mavia is just dying. And that res coin that some of you guys invested in, me also, it's still holding up. Let's see. Yeah, let me get this drawn better. Low to the high, we're over the 382 on res. This is the box. We drew this red box, I think, on stream. We got to get through this box to be bullish on this thing. But it's still curling up here. And then if we go, let me see, where was it? I think it was from the high here to the low. Yeah. So yeah, we're sitting on double 382 support. So as long as we hold this, you're still alive on res. Oh, what's up, Honey Badger? There's only 5 people here. Wow. There's never been this less of people. XYO. Yeah, we looked at XYO last night. XYO doesn't look good. There's some coins that are dying because they pumped. And then there's some coins that died already and are at the bottom and they need to pump. Yeah, we went over this last night. Just zoomed out. You're coming up on the 3-2. I mean, technically, overall, it is still bullish, even when you had that strong move up and then you're trading in this downwards. You want to call this a large bull flag or a descending channel, whatever. But a large move like this and then consolidation pullback like this, that should tell us we're going right back up. So your support right now is a penny. If you can stay over a penny, you stay alive. Any lower than a penny, no longer macro bullish, and it's done for now. So still about another 7% drop here on XYO. And then, of course, if you get a bounce on that level, let me go ahead and see if we can look into the future, pull out our crystal ball. So high to the low. If that 382 is going to get tagged and be the low, you got to get back over about 1.4, a penny and a half to confirm a bottom, and then almost 2 pennies to be bullish again. But that would be your breakout point. If you can get over the 382, then it's breaking to the upside. But yeah, still a little bit of downside for XYO at the moment. I'm usually here, bro. I just don't chat a lot. That's fine. I appreciate the people that just tune in. But yeah, there's only 6 people here. It's just crazy. Yeah, I appreciate you being here, my man. What's up, Hadi? Can we look at Arkham? Yeah, we can look at Arkham. Oh, I didn't even put this on larger screen. Arkham. But yeah, everyone that's slowly coming in. It's going to be a short stream. I have to get out of here by 5:30 or 5:20 or so. Probably 5 o'clock I'll be gone. Arkham. So let's just roll through these. ARK. What is Arkham? Arkham Intelligence. I believe that's what you're asking for. Arkham Intelligence. Come on. Why is this not grabbing? Make sure that's what you said. Yeah, ARKM. We got Eldor for 2. I appreciate that, my man. ASM price prediction, please. What's up, Joshua? SPAL had a slight pump earlier today. Yeah, we'll look at SPAL too. Let me cover Arkham real quick. Arkham looks like it just made a new low. Yeah, Arkham made a new low here, so we're gonna have to pull this down. I mean, you had the bottom back here too, so if we draw a support and resistance line, this should be the bottom on Arkham. I mean, if we just draw a line down here or a box, you can clearly see the resistance and then the support, and now we're back at that level pretty much again. See it a lot better if we drew a box, but you get the idea. Let's see if this is the 786 support level. Yeah, you're sitting right on the final support, so Arkham Intelligence is another one here that this should be the bottom. Would not be a bad idea to go and put in a long position here. I mean, technically speaking. Same thing with, I just covered the video on Velodrome. Velodrome looks good for a long, and then maybe it looks good for a short right now. Maybe it's about to fall off the table again. But Arkham Intelligence, if this is the bottom, new high 1272 at $7 would be about a 12.5, 13x. ASM, how's ASM holding up? Is it still under the 6.6 level? Oh yeah. Dipping down below the 382. I mean, the lower high, it looks like ASM's just coming back down to the trend line. More likely than not. Yeah, it could wick all the way down to the 236, but we'll see what it's holding. Yeah, you're probably coming down, hitting the 618, and you're going to wick down and touch the trend or go below it. It just depends. But if you cannot hold 2.8, 2.5's next. So you could drop anywhere from 10 to 15% on ASM at the moment. It doesn't have to, because if we just simply draw another line here, you can clearly say it's still holding a trend here. It's still making higher lows, so it doesn't look bad in that respect. Could be the bottom, especially if it doesn't want to break that low. But ASM, where's it going to end up from where you are today on the macro 382 if it holds up? What targets do we have? Oh yeah, the billion market cap on ASM to the 1272 at 70. So about a 24x on Arkham. If you think it's going to hit $1, I would say 70 cents to $1 on Arkham. That'd give you a 40x. So yeah, around the 70-cent range, I would say. Oh, we got 14 people in here now. He says, Spa, what's up, Jap B? What's up, Dex? What's up, Justin? How you doing? BCH. Yeah, let me go to Spa real quick. Spa. Spa Rex. Yeah, Spa Rex doesn't look bad here. I mean, you're holding the 382, you're making higher high. This is just curling up on the macro. At some point, we're gonna go up and up, but we're just not there yet. But yeah, if you can hold the 382, you're bullish at 16. If not, you're gonna drop back down to the trend. So if it's just gonna complete the market structure and it's not time for Spa to go back up, you could drop 50% all the way back down here. I mean, that seems like a massive drop, but that's what it's been doing. But right now, it doesn't look bad. You're holding double 382. So as long as you're over this $0.015 to almost 2-cent level, you're good. Just bullish. Any lower than 1.6, then that'll probably tell you it's coming back down here. It may hold the 618 and wick down, but that's a pretty decent drop. You said Spa had a nice little pump. Yeah, looking at it on the daily. Yeah, it's just kind of going sideways right now. But Spa on the weekly, I mean, if it holds up on the double 382 here, what is this? Spa. Yeah, Spa, next possible move up for a higher high would be a 5.5x to the 786 at about 9.5 to 10 cents. And then if you think SPA's going to hit about 80 cents, that's a 45, 46x on this thing. Still decent returns either way. What's up, Rashad? Yeah, GST I like a lot. I was kind of upset because GST is not on Blowfin to long. I would put just a little bit of money on it and just, you know, probably a 3 to 5x long on it just to see what happens. Because GST, I mean, it's been holding the bottom down here, holding the new trend line. It looks good to me. But just to come back up here where it did in March is 11x to 12, 25x to the 0.5. And if it just does a 618 retracement, that's a 60x to 65 cents billion market cap. And if it just rockets up here to the 786, that's a 200x. I mean, just $50 or $100 on here with 3x leverage and a 200x, that's all you need. That's all I need. I'm just going to have to spot buy it. Can we check Quant and Arrow? Quant. QNT. Yeah, QNT is probably still in the same spot. It's probably still over 84 and under 100. You can start to be bullish on QNT once it finally gets over 100 again. If I could ever find the damn chart. Where are we at? QNT. Yeah, QNT, like I've been saying, just look at it on the macro chart. It's just chopping around, triangle pattern, monthly candles. But like I keep saying, if the price can get up here and get squeezed on the trend and above the 382 at 100, then it may squeeze out of here. Bullish confirmation once you finally get a monthly candle over 174, 175. This is where it keeps getting stuck. That's when you can be bullish on QNT, when it breaks over 175. And then, of course, looking at the, I think it's the 3-day, daily, whatever it is, but and just simple go. I don't know what I'm saying. Simply go from the low to the high. Oh, damn, it did break the 618. All right, so it looks like it's coming down to the 236, final support 786. It's getting stuck right now at that 85 level. Damn, I didn't know it broke down. So 17% drop is lingering at the moment. $70 is not a bad price to get in on. Man, if QNT comes down to 70 and maybe wicks down lower to about 60, that's the time to scoop up some QNT. Because I think QNT is going to go to 2,000 plus. But it's not ready yet. It's just coming. It's coming back down. Macro chop. But yeah, I think it's real good for a 20x up to about 2,000 bucks, 25x. It may be good for a 50x up to that $4,000 to $5,000 range. What else did you say? Arrow. Aerodrome. Let's see where the bottom is on this thing. Yeah, same thing with Arrow. 3-day candles, you're holding the final support level. You got back over, you just dipped below it, but like we keep saying, I mean, we broke the trends on a lot of things, so you did back test it. So heavy resistance is going to be the double fibs here, 618, 382 at 80 and the trend line. You can start to be a little bit more happy on Arrow once it gets over 80 cents. Right now it's holding that final support. And like I said, that should be the bottom on this thing. And if we pull the trend line down, I mean, there's not going to be a lot of touches, but still clear bullish market structure overall macro wise. As you can clearly see here, even on the weekly, we can pull this up and say bottom is in. Arrow is not bad for a long either from here. I mean, it may die from here, but that tells us the bottom is in. We got to go up soon. This is ridiculous. Spot buy. That's what you did. What's up? What's up, Shadow? Do you think CTX bottomed? Metal blockchain could possibly go this cycle. All right, let me look at CTX really quick here. CTX. But yeah, everyone please hit the like button, and if you haven't already, check out the videos on the channel that I'm doing every day, and please hit the like button on those. With the revenue down and we're not doing anything, I got to get as much engagement as I can, and it's appreciated. CTX, I mean, it looks like a bottom. You're making higher lows, and I mean, it just looks like the bottom is in here. Potentially it's on the point to where it's breaking the trend and it's going to come down and back test and then finally get over. That could be the case. So if this weekly candle closes below the 0.5 at 243, which you've already had 3-day and daily candles close below it, so that could probably tell you that maybe the bottom is not in yet. But it is making a slightly higher low here, so you could easily say that's the bottom. But if it goes any lower than it is, then you're going to break the trend and break structure here a little bit, and just do like Arrow did. So you could still drop 15%, so the bottom may not be in. We got to see where this weekly candle ends up. Oh man, yeah, the monthly candle is below and it's getting stuck, so it does look like it's coming down. Bottom's not in yet on CTX, it looks like. We'll see where it goes, but I would say the price now, it really can't go much lower. If it breaks below, it looks like about 212 or so, then you'll know it's going down. Yeah, that's what I mean. If you just look at it and you just draw a simple trend line and you just, draw simple lines, it looks like the bottom should be in. But if you look closer, it could still drop a little bit. Can we look at metal blockchain? You think 1.9 could be the final bottom? What's up, young bro? I mean, it still could even break. I mean, it depends on what's going to happen in the market. I mean, we're not doing anything but going down slowly. You could drop all the way to 127 here. Wait, did we draw? There's so much stuff on the chart now. Yeah, there's so much support down here also. 786, 236, 618. It's going to bottom somewhere. I wish I had a crystal ball to tell you. Metal blockchain. How high can metal blockchain go? See, metals, I mean, everything's in the same boat. We just look at one coin and say, yes, technically you're still bullish, you're making higher lows. It doesn't look bad. You're down below the 3-2. Possibly the trend is breaking. It's all going to depend on where these candles close at. Smaller time frames are getting stuck. You're below, so metal looks like it's going to break down here too, unless this gets bought back up on the weekly and you get back up over the 3-2 at 11. Yeah, so you just tag low to the high 382, so you're still bullish right where you are. You can't go any lower than 9. You have to get back over 11. But your question was, where can it go this cycle? And technically it's still just curled up here. I mean, everything's curling up like this if it's not completely dying, and we should start going up at some point. At least get a bounce from here. Metal blockchain, where is it at? 9-10 cents at the moment. Yeah, I don't know what this coin is, but it could possibly go to 250 here. Do a 25x. When people give up, that's how you know the bottom is in. Yeah, there's so many people giving up right now and so much bearishness with all the good news and everything going on. Everyone's so bearish right now. Can we look at auction? What is that, bounce token? I forgot about auction. Oh, we got 18 people here. Auction. I don't know if we have a chart for this one. Oh, I guess we do. Yeah, bounce token, auction, Coinbase. So this is another old one on Coinbase, huh? Let me. Auction USD. Let's see if we can find the overall older chart. I may add this one to my list. Oh, that's audio. Where the hell did it go? Auction USD. Oh, I didn't add it. Let me zoom out for a moment. Oh, damn. April of 2021 high. I mean, I guess I got to go to that wick low. On the overall macro, depending on what low we want to use, I guess we're going to have to use the low. So you're sitting above the 0.5. You've been holding it. You dip down and you're back above 14. So that's your support. And then the strong move up on the monthly candles. It doesn't look bad. Doing everything that the market is doing. You're going down and now you're going sideways. So this accumulation does not look bad. Once you get back over 20, that's your confirmation. And then it looks like the breakout's going to be over 36. That's when it's going to go to the moon. But looking on the macro chart, that is. Oh, it had a little V-shaped recovery. But yeah, you need to get over 20 up to 36 and then it'll go to the moon. Especially you can see monthly candles not closing above. Once it broke, you've never had a monthly close above 36 here. So once you get over 36, that's when you could be really bullish on this thing to push up. So it doesn't look bad where it is. And then, I mean, it's looking bullish right now, short term. Unless I'm missing something. Low to the high, you just tagged the 0.5, you're back above the 236. So yeah, as long as you're over 14, even down to about 13, you're still bullish on bounce token. So bounce, let's see. Wow, time's flying by. Let's see what kind of damage bounce is going to do. If it runs. There's no guarantees. Yeah, older coins we think 5 to 10x's, so 170 bucks, $177 to a 10x on bounce. You're making a killing on auction. That's nice. Did we look at everything? What's up, Corey? Yeah, sometimes if you just zoom out to the monthly charts, it kind of tells a better story, and you can actually, just like we do with QNT, you just got to look at the monthly candles, and you can clearly see when the breakout's going to be. Especially with this one here, you can clearly see that once a monthly candle gets up over 36,786 here, that's when this thing's going to start running. Oh, res. Man, I'm so down on res right now, but it is holding up. Damn. And I just covered Stronghold too. Stronghold looks good on the monthly. There's a lot of support it's going to be sitting at very soon. But yeah, just another coin that looks like we should start bouncing now. Did we look at Arrow? Yeah, we looked at Arrow. I mean, Bitcoin's doing the same thing on the macro. It's just curled up here. It looks like it's ready to just have a large candle spawn in. Oh, Degen. Yeah, Degen's breaking down from the bear flag. It's going after Mavia and Myro. So how low is Degen gonna go, man? I mean, you're hitting the top of this volume area here. So this... I mean, if it breaks lower than this box, then I don't know what to say. Any lower than it is now, she's going to drop 20%, it looks like. Unless it gets back over 4. Oh yeah, I did answer you while you were typing. I mean, it's still holding. It's holding double 382 support right now. I just need one break. I just need one coin to move. Yeah, I think everyone got out though. I don't know who's still holding that spin here. But high to the low, we're holding the 382. Low to the high, we're holding the 382. And if it can manage to get up and break out of this area here where it got stuck last time, I at least want my money back. If I could just get a bounce up to the 382, I would be happy. So what is up with Rin? What is Rin? Someone said Rin was getting delisted on every exchange. Is that true? She must be dying then, huh? Oh, she got a little bounce, but I don't think we've ever looked at Rin on the channel here. I broke the low from all the way back here in 2018-19. Yeah, that's what I heard anyway. Rin's getting delisted from a lot of exchanges. Thought about getting in, but you can't handle any more red. I know the feeling. The little bit of money I have in the markets tied up in XCN going to 0, and now Res sitting here doing nothing. It's not easy making money in crypto. I mean, if you make money, so be it. But some of you guys come in the channel, make a lot of money. I'll get there someday, hopefully. What's up, T13, my man? Are you paying attention? He says, how high can peak go? Let's see how many times he's going to ask the same question. XCN is going to come around. Patience. Yeah, I'm still holding it because there's no point in selling it. Peak, how high can peak go, he says. Isn't peak going to 0? So it's probably dropping below 0, so it's going to go back to 0. But yeah, I just need one coin to pump to give me some more money, some more buying power, so I can actually buy different coins. But it's just, how high can peak go now that she's dead? It looks like it's still coming down. 3-day chart. Is this the bottom for peak? She's starting to go sideways here. But you could also be forming a bear flag. Let me see what we got here. How high can peak go? Yeah, because every time we pointed this out last time, bear flag, bear flag, bear flag. Maybe a new bear flag starting to form. But if that is another bear flag, we'll just get into it and then we'll see how high it's going to go. But next stop for support is 12, another 14% drop. And then how high can peak go? If this is the bottom, that's really all we can do. But there's no clear bottom yet, I don't think. Bullish over, I don't know why we have that line there. Let me pull this off a log and see. Yeah, 20 to 25 you got to get over, and then break out over 40 if it ever gets up there. But like I said, if this is some sort of a bottom being put in, I would say keep it simple. You got to do an 8.5x to $1.20 first. So we'll pull that up there without using that wick. I mean, it's trying to hold here off of that wick and these candles. So this $1.20 range, if it stays here. Oh, you said how long can peak go? But I think I answered all the questions. Man, what? Lesson learned, just hodl. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm just going to hodl, and then maybe I'll finally make money if I just hold and quit selling. About 24 million and sold it because it wasn't doing anything for so long, and it ran into a moonshot. Oh man, I think you said that before. Someone else said that. But yeah, we were looking at it at the bottom forever. I wanted to buy it and I never did buy it, and then I bought the top. That's just ridiculous. I should have known better. I kept saying I know better, but then everyone's so bullish on XCM that it's just going to continue going. And my dumb self bought in. But yeah, I remember when we were looking at it down here. Bottom is in, time to go. And she went. She left me. And then I bought the top, and that's it. Oh, we got 29 people in here. How's everyone doing? What is Treb doing? Yeah. We went down so much. We all need 20 to 30 X's just to break even. That's what it seems like. Treb, yeah, that's on Dex Greener. What's up, Flip Coins? How you doing, my man? Yep, FOMO will get you every time. It's like we never can learn from FOMO. It's just there, and then we can't help it. Get greedy. If we could just stop being greedy. Damn, it's already almost 4:50. Yeah, like I told you guys earlier at the beginning of the stream, short stream, I gotta get out of here at 5. So about another 10 minutes here. Maybe a little longer, we'll see. I don't have to be out exactly at 5. Can we check on Toshi? Treb and Toshi. Let me just pull up Dex Screener real quick, and we'll just look at the Dex Screeners on both of those. Treb and Toshi. Wait, let me switch this music. Yeah, we're gonna go look at Treb and Toshi. What's up, Altcoin Academy? What's up, dude? All right, let me mark these down real quick. Baby on Soul. Any Dex Screener coins, put them up real quick. So we got Treb, Toshi, Baby on Soul, Turbo, while you guys are thinking about deck screener coins, how to gamble. Turbo, there's nothing bullish on Turbo. It could go a lot lower. Yeah, damn. It's got a large candle spawned in here now. Wow. Yeah, smaller candles close below the 0.5. I mean, I said this before. I mean, the fact that you're below the 382, that puts in play to 618, and even coming down here and back testing, filling the gap on this candle and just back testing this level where we got stuck, and then we finally blew through. So, I mean, even though it sucks, it's just market structure playing out. 30% drop, even down to a 45% drop is in play, I would say, right now on Turbo, unless you somehow get back over 2.6 and then back bullish over 4. So I would say more downside for Turbo. Jeez. It depends on how low it goes. I mean, yeah, it depends on how low it goes. If it goes too low down, then it probably won't hit 40 cents. GFI had a 25% pump today, going right back down as we speak. GFI or Arrow? Probably neither right now. Yeah, I did a Fort video. The bottom may be in on Fort. Fort hasn't done anything yet, so Fort may be a good play. I mean, it hasn't had any kind of a decent run. Oh yeah, GFI looks bad here. Looks like you broke the trend again. You're just above double support at 93.94, so it's trying to hold off of that wick. But momentum is clearly bearish. So if you close below 93, or if you just stay below, or if you get below 93, that is, which you can clearly see 3-day candles broke, getting stuck, and that's probably got to fall off the table. So it looks like GFI is about to die. Damn, 42%. Jeez, it's just not over yet. But me personally, if I had to buy into one of them, I'd probably buy Arrow, which we went over Arrow. It has to be the bottom right now. We say that and they keep dying, but trend low high 786. It's just, this needs to be the bottom. It looks like the bottom. But yeah, I like Arrow's chart better than GFI's, and the fact that Arrow's new. All right, let me get over here to deck screener because we're running out of time. Ondo. Toshi's up 7% on the day. What are you saying? What's up, bro? New to the channel here. I appreciate that, by the way. You snagged XCN earlier. It's my biggest bag. What are your thoughts on price predictions for the bull run, and where do you see Bitcoin ETH going? Me personally, I think Bitcoin's going to 180 to 200K. I think 127K is next. I mean, just from simple TA on it. I know everyone's bearish on everything, but yeah, we'll look at these three real quick and then we'll do deck screener, and that's probably going to be it. But Bitcoin on the Bitstamp chart I drew up, just zoom out to the monthly. It just kind of shows us where we are. And I mean, I don't know where we're going to end up going, but we're in the middle. Top should be in November. Let me look at the other BTC chart. I mean, all the numbers match up perfectly almost, so unless it's different this time, we should be in line for these moves. Maybe we don't go up until October, November. That's when everything shoots to the moon. But Bitcoin, you're still holding the, You're still holding the very low to the high 382. We're over 80K. We're in a bear bull flag, so we're still looking good here. Even though we're not doing anything, it's just climbing itself up. But you can clearly see, I'll move that out of the way. Once we break over 103 and break the previous high on the wick here, of course, the next stop is the 1272. And the fact that we came all the way up to this 1272 and got stuck perfectly on the monthly candles, that kind of tells us, doesn't it, that the next big resistance that they're going to watch is 127K. Maybe that's the top. But if he blows through that, 170, 173, a wick above 180K. So that's why I'm thinking 180, maybe 200K, and that's it. But like I said, we may get stuck at 127. And ETH is dying, but I've always thought ETH is going to hit 10,000. But ETH broke the trend and broke down and is getting stuck right at it. So until you get back over 2,500, there's nothing bullish on ETH. But anywhere from 7 to 9K, 10K on ETH. All right, I got to get over to Dex Screener real quick. XCN. All right, let's see. I mean, there's nothing bullish on XCN right now. Still, I mean, a lot of coins are doing this, the move up, the pullback. Is the bottom in is the question right now. I mean, we're starting to go sideways and hold here, so maybe this could be the bottom. Could be the formation of a bottom on XCN. So high to the low. If we can hold here, yeah, we got to get back over the double 236 at about 1.8 for a breakout at the moment. Bottom is in, and then bullish once we get back over the 618.382. Macro 618 at 2 pennies. And as for where is it going, just keep in mind any lower than you are now, then 0.5 is coming up. It looks like where it's going to me. Another 17% drop. We'll see. But I know people call for all kinds of crazy prices on this thing. We'll see what happens. But 786 at 5.5 is your next stop, and then the next volume area, 8 to 10 cents, I think is very possible. And if it gets through 10 cents, maybe you hit 20 cents and get a 15x. But the people calling for $1 plus, we do have the 1272 at 87. So if we don't completely break down from here and we have another large run like it did, I could see it hitting this, doing another 59 to 60x. All right, I'm going over to Dex Screener because I'm running out of time. But yeah, I appreciate you being here, Hims. Hymathin. Did I say that right? Hymathin Hims. Am I saying something wrong? Oh, we got Hims for 5. I appreciate that. I appreciate that a lot. I appreciate the support. Yeah, okay, we're going over to Dex Screener now. Toshi and Baby something and... Alright, stop the screen. Yeah, I was going to stream tonight from like 7 to 10, but something came up that I have to go do. Dex Screener. Oh, man. That came out so wrong. Alright, Dex Screener. Toshi. Come on, Toshi, you can do it. Oh, where'd our Toshi chart go? Come on now, let's see. Alright, there's Treb. Let me just get Treb and then we'll do Toshi. Treb, from the last time we looked at it, every live stream now. Yeah, Treb, I mean, just looking at it on the overall chart, it came down and hasn't done anything. If it's going to do something, then if you're bullish on it, congratulations, I guess. What am I looking for? But you're down below the 236 high to the low, and then if we go low to the high here, yeah, you're just above the 618. So if you can hold over 57, that could be it. But if you can't hold 57, then you're still going to drop 12%, and then 50 should be the bottom on this thing. And then we measured it out. I don't remember where we said it's going to, but got to get back over 57.8 here. Then bullish over 70. Where do we say this thing's going? To the top of the fib. Eek. So if you think it's going to hit $50, it's an 85, 86x. If you think it hit $100, that's 187x. But you got to keep it simple first. Oh yeah, that's what we went over. If it ever gets up to $13, that's a 22x. Next stop is 22. So I guess you're thinking $13 is a good target. But the first order of business is going to be the new high 1272, 290% move almost to about 226. That's your first target to watch. I guess they deleted our Toshi chart. I don't know. Maybe it's this one. All right, here we go. Toshi. What are we doing? High. What the hell? High to the low. Yeah, it came up and got stuck at the 1414. That was the top. Hit the 1618 on the wick. And now low to the high, you're trying to hold the 618. So you need to hold about 4. Let me fix this. Yeah, you need to get back over 4.2. You're at 417 at the moment. To have this reversal from that 618 bounce back up. Any lower than that, then you're just coming down 786 area, 382 probably. So, I mean, it doesn't have to, but if you stay below that level, low to the high, it really needs to hold and bounce here. You can clearly see the resistance, 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 resistance. So this should be a good bounce point on Toshi. So that's why I say any lower than that, and then you could drop pretty good, 40, 50%. And then Toshi, where's Toshi going? No one knows. Coinbase, so it's probably going to have a decent run on Toshi. Toshi to a penny, 27x. All right, baby on soul. Baby on soul. I guess this one. 90K market cap, not bad. This thing's been out for a year. It's got 7 zeros. Yeah, is this what you're talking about? All right, come on. Damn, this thing doesn't have a bottom. This thing's going to 0 at the moment. I guess the only positive is it's down 100%. Yeah, I mean, how much lower can it go? It's down 100% almost. 99.9%. So there's no telling if this is the bottom on this thing. That's all I can really say. Yeah, all you can do is gamble on this one. I don't know what to say on it. Could be a good play. Just throw $100 on it and see if you catch the bottom. It's down, like I said, almost 100%. And if this thing comes back to life from 100% death, possible makes a new high. Oh my Lord Jesus. What the hell is that? No way. Am I reading that correctly? Is that a 6,000x? Wow, you just need one large candle to spawn in on this thing. Because that's 100x, 200x, 3, 4, 5,000. 2, 3, 4. Can you imagine putting $100 on this piece of crap? If it's the bottom. What is that? You threw $100 on here and it did a 6,000x. Oh, that's 600 grand. All right, let me get back over to the chat. Wow. Damn, it's already past 5. But yeah, we'll look at whatever you guys want to look at tomorrow. I got to get going. Oh, he says it's 5. I wasn't even paying attention. Yeah, I'm running out of time. Derek says it will fly $60. Which one are you talking about? Oh, AI 16Z. But yeah, we'll leave it on this one right here. I mean, this, whatever this is, it's down 100%. If it can have a God candle spawn in. Hell, just a 786 retracement's at 240x almost. I'm gonna have to remember baby. I'll go throw $5 at this damn thing. Man, baby on soul. I appreciate that one. But yeah, we're gonna have to cut it short here. I appreciate everyone coming in here. As always, I appreciate the couple of super chats. So everyone, please hit the like button on your way out. Let me go in the poll really quick here before I run out of too much time. Baby on soul. Oh, you're talking about baby, it'll fly? Yeah, it looks too good. I have to go throw something on it. At least $50. Man. Even if it goes to 0. It may not ever go up, but that's the gamble you take. Wake up one morning and that thing did a 6,000x. All right, let me get over here and end the poll. Where are we at? So many buttons to click. Uh, 37 votes. Oh yeah, 95%. I forgot what I asked. All right, that's good. All right, but yeah, with that being said, I appreciate you guys coming in here. Appreciate everything you guys come and bring along. We covered quite a little bit in this little hour, so not a bad stream. So hit the like button on your way out. I appreciate it. And with that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.